The clock never stops. While you hesitate, life moves on like a river, unafraid to follow its course. Every passing second is an opportunity you cannot reclaim. What are you waiting for? The perfect moment? It doesn't exist. If you keep waiting, the only certainty is that time will continue to pass, leaving you behind. The truth is, people don't remember those who were too afraid to act. They draw inspiration from those who face life head-on, even without guarantees of success. Failure is part of the journey, but do you know what's worse than failing? Never trying. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to something greater. Life rewards action, not inertia. Too often, we cling to excuses. I don't have time. I'm not good enough. I'll start later. Stop now and ask yourself, how long will you let fear decide the direction of your life? Fear is just an umbrella you open on sunny days, shielding yourself from something that doesn't even exist. Have you noticed how everything around you is in motion? The wind, the trees, the people. Everything advances, even if slowly. Why should you be any different? Your story is being written now, but are you holding the pen? Don't hand control over to chance, excuses, or comfort. Comfort has never created anything extraordinary. Life doesn't wait, but it always offers chances to those willing to chase after them. Start with what you have, where you are, and see how much you can build. Great achievements are made of small steps, and the hardest one is always the first. So stand up. Take that step now. The world needs your courage, your talent, and your energy. Don't waste what only you can offer. You are unique, and time is the greatest gift you have. Don't spend it on regrets. Invest it in dreams, experiences, and growth. Life isn't just about material achievements or the approval of others. What truly matters lies in the things that touch the soul. Shared moments, the connections we create, and the impact we leave on the world. Success isn't about collecting trophies. It's about living with purpose, aligned with what you believe to be true and meaningful. It's about looking back one day and feeling proud of the path you've walked, not because it was easy, but because it was authentic. Happiness isn't something you find in distant destinations or unattainable goals. It's in the small moments, in the now. It's in a warm hug, a hearty laugh, the joy of doing something you love. It's in appreciating the present, recognizing the blessings already in your life, and fighting for what you know will bring even more meaning to your journey. To prioritize what matters, you need clarity. What is essential to you? What do you truly value? Take time to reflect and align your actions with your values. Too often, we spend our energy chasing what others expect of us, leaving our true desires behind. Don't fall into that trap. Learn to say no to what doesn't make you grow and yes to what nurtures your soul. Success only has value when it's connected to happiness and inner peace. What's the point of reaching the top if you feel empty? Prioritize quality of life, balance, and the relationships that strengthen you. True success isn't about being ahead of everyone. It's about being aligned with yourself. It's about building something that inspires you to keep going and leaves a lasting legacy. If you want to achieve success and happiness, start by taking care of yourself. Your health, both physical and mental, is the foundation for any accomplishment. Invest in self-awareness, strive to learn and grow constantly. Don't let the fear of failure or the weight of perfectionism stop you from trying. The journey is just as important as the destination, and every step taken with integrity is a victory in itself. Finally, remember that life is a balancing act. Work hard for your dreams, but never lose sight of the people you love, the simple moments, and the reasons why you started this journey. What truly matters can't be measured in numbers or awards. It's in your capacity to love, to give, and to live fully. When you prioritize what really matters, success and happiness stop being destinations and become traveling companions. Life is fleeting, a brief moment between birth and departure. The clock of time doesn't stop, doesn't grant pauses, doesn't offer second chances. And while you hesitate, while you postpone dreams, while you wait for the perfect moment, life continues. It doesn't ask for permission. It doesn't care about your doubts or fears. It moves on, relentless and beautiful. For those who dare to live it. How many times have you caught yourself saying, "I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll do it. Tomorrow I'll change. Tomorrow I'll pursue it." And if tomorrow doesn't come, what remains besides the regret of not doing what your heart longed for? It's easy to get lost in the safety of postponement, but the truth is harsh. There are no guarantees that time will be on your side. Life happens now. It's in the present, the only moment you truly have. Waiting for ideal circumstances is like waiting for a favorable wind in a barren desert. Don't wait. The perfect moment is the one you decide to create with the tools you have, the challenges you face, and a heart full of courage. Remember, every day brings you closer to the end of your journey. And this shouldn't paralyze you, but propel you forward. The fear of failure must never be greater than the fear of not trying. Because it is in taking risks, in the courage to move forward, even when everything feels uncertain, that the magic of life happens. Stop now and look at yourself. What do you want? What do you desire? What dream burns in your heart, the one you always think can wait a little longer? Make it your priority. Embrace uncertainty because it's a sign that you're alive. Life doesn't wait for anyone, but it rewards those who face it head-on. So, if there's something to do, do it. If there's something to say, say it. If there's something to live, live it, because life doesn't wait. And by the time you realize this, it might be too late to go back. The world is ready to welcome you, but it will only be transformed by those who choose to act. Be one of them. Live now with all your intensity, because life happens in the present, and the present is all you have. Life doesn't wait. While you hesitate, it moves forward relentlessly, pushing the clock without mercy. Every second lost is a piece of your future slipping through your fingers. The harsh, undeniable truth is that no one is waiting for you to feel ready. The world won't stop so you can gather your courage. The perfect moment? It doesn't exist. All you have is now, and that's all you need. Think for a moment. How many dreams have been buried by fear? How many incredible talents have never stepped out of the shadow of doubt? Life is a one-of-a-kind spectacle, but so many settle for watching from the sidelines. Don't be one of them. Step onto the stage, even if your hands tremble and your voice shakes. The most successful people aren't those who started with everything perfectly planned, but those who dared to take the first step without seeing the entire path. Have you noticed how days seem shorter? How weeks go by in a flash? It's not just an impression. Life is moving fast, and you need to keep up. Every choice you postpone is an opportunity that fades away. Don't deceive yourself into thinking you have all the time in the world. Tomorrow is a comfortable illusion, but it's never guaranteed. Don't wait for others' approval because it might never come. Don't wait for perfect conditions because they will never exist. Don't wait another minute because every minute of waiting is a lost chance to experience something extraordinary. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to start, but you have to start to become extraordinary. Get up now. Pick up the phone, write that plan, send that message, ask for that opportunity. The fear of failure is small compared to the weight of regret. At the end of your life, what will you remember? The moments you took risks and lived fully, or the years you spent waiting for the right time? Life doesn't wait, it's shouting at you to act here and now. The future you desire begins with the choices you make today. So choose to be bold, choose to be brave, choose to live